Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have another video on installations. We're gonna work on this 2020 Toyota Land Cruiser. We're gonna install the Baja yellow fog lights. As you can see right now, it has original OEM fog lights on there, the clear one. Right now it's the original one. So let's go and then start this. So this is what's gonna look like before, and we're gonna record after we install it. Alright, so we need to remove 3 of this screw right here between the bumper and then the tire wall. So 1, 2, 3 up there, so we could go inside the fog light. Yeah man, dirt falling out of the screw. You take this off-road already?
No.
So yeah, make sure you turn your wheel toward the passenger side, you get more room to work on. So, and then there's one on this side right here. You can use a screwdriver. So we have to remove a bunch of screws down here. So 1, 2, 3 for the 10 millimeter, and then this one right here too. Loosen it up so it comes down, and then some right here on the bottom. Alright guys, so we finally got this thing open. We unscrew some of the fastener that's inside there, here, all the way in there, and then some of them right here. So we got now room to leverage out. You gotta push this clip. Use a prying tool to lift this up, so you push it outward. Push it inward, and then one down here, and then you gotta get this thing out of there. This is plastic protruding inside here to lock it up. There are 2 screws right there for the fog light. Now you need to either use a Phillips screwdriver or the 10 millimeter socket to take it out. Okay, and after that, unplug the fog wire. I forgot to mention on the installation on the fog light screw. As you can see, the shredded washer, it goes in between the bracket and your fog light. Okay, make sure you take a note of that, and it goes on both sides. Unfortunately, there's no guideline, so you just need to eyeball if it's straight enough or not, or do a test fit on your vehicle. Yeah, you don't know if it's straight or because they only have one screw right here, which is allowed you to have a adjustment on a different type of vehicle. Not all the vehicles are the same. That's why. And be sure the thicker lip, it goes toward the middle of your bumper. Okay. All right. So we removed the original fog light right now, and just kind of give like a orientation. So this side doesn't have a screw. These are the two screws that we just remove, and then we unplug the plug from here. So we're gonna do a test fit and should work. Let's go ahead and test it out. All right, so this is the wiring right here. The black one goes to the white one on the original connection, and then the brown goes to the green. Okay. I know, I'm not sure why the original plug doesn't come with a black wire as a ground. Alright, so we just do a test and it looks pretty awesome. We're gonna do it on the passenger side now. So, alright, so we're gonna start on the passenger side now. So, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm going to remove this 1, 2, 3, the star screw. I don't think we need to remove this the 2 10mm for that plastic plate. And then there's one over here. We need to pop this out so we get more room and more leverage. And then on the bottom of the bumper, we need to remove this, the one with the Phillip head. And then one over here. And then we have 3 of this 10mm screw. And then another one in there. I'm not sure about that one. Probably just this one. This one too. And then this one. And then this one. So this one's number 4.
Little bugs in here.
Alive or dead?
Dead. Hey, you do all those plastic.
Okay.
I get too frustrated. I break them.
Alright, there's a clip right there. The trick is to pop the top part off first, and then go on the bottom, and then pry it out so it's easy to come out. Okay, or you just put it out. Oh, the dirt just got on my face. And there you go. That should be good. Here's all the bottom side we unscrew. Make sure you know how to clip it back after you remove it. So we need to unclip this fender liner clip and then push, separate it. And then do the top one too. Make sure you separate the top part too. Don't be afraid. Can hardly see the fog light though. So yeah, this side is different. They have this special cover. I'm not sure if you can see on the bottom right there. There's a clip right here. You need to push in order to pull out the cover. And then there's another one on the opposite side. I'm not sure you guys can see it, and I'm filming. I cannot see it because it's pretty tight in there. Here, then you need to push it in order to let it come out. Push it. There's a hole right there somewhere. There's a hole right there somewhere. So yeah, be sure you see the bracket. Be sure to insert into the mounting holes right there. Okay. And then you're gonna screw it on the back. Alright, so this is the fog light. Black over black. Push in. And then this is the original one. It is the dummy proof. There's a cut opening right there. And then there's a plastic right there. So you could only plug into one direction, okay? And then push in until you click. There you go. And then we're gonna zip tie this wiring so it doesn't hang. Oh, it's gonna rock your bumper and stuff when you drive, okay? So make sure this plastic clip is not gonna hit the bumper and making all this noise when you driving and stuff. Alright, YouTube, so we're gonna do the lights test right now. As you can see, It is pretty bright. Doesn't show really on the in the camera, but anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.